At Airseal Technology LLP, we provide cutting-edge solutions that redefine industrial efficiency. Our mission is to address critical challenges in the industrial sector, boosting productivity and ensuring sustainable operations. This case study is about how Airseal Technology LLP partnered with STEAG Energy Services to revolutionize operational efficiency and sustainability at Vedanta Aluminium's 4x600 megawatt power plant in Jharsuguda, Odisha. Vedanta's 600 megawatt power plant, managed by STEAG Energy Services, faced major operational hurdles. Heavy ash accumulation in the boiler penthouse made it difficult to perform maintenance, leading to inefficiencies and increased operational costs. To address these challenges, Airseal Technology LLP deployed the AERO 15E truck-mounted machine, evacuating 450 metric tons of ash in just 12 days. Fine cleaning was completed in an additional 3 days, ensuring optimal performance. Ash evacuation was completed successfully, leaving no ash in the penthouse, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient operation. Our Airseal solution was installed across the entire penthouse, focusing on critical areas such as the Platen superheater, Reheater, and duct expansion joints. These areas had been prone to ash accumulation and air ingress, and the installation was designed to address these issues comprehensively. The plant was examined 2 years later. The impact was clear. Ash accumulation was reduced from 8 to 9 feet to just a few inches, cutting specific coal consumption to 0.68 and lowering the ID motor current from 251 amperes to 232 amperes, and full operational efficiency was reinstated. One of the most significant achievements was the reduction in coal consumption. By saving 50 kilograms of coal per megawatt power generated, we successfully saved 237,600 metric tons of coal in a year. With the average coal price of rupees 4,500 per ton in India, this resulted in an impressive annual savings of rupees 106 crores annually. With the help of Airseal Technology LLP and the AERO 15E, STEAG Energy Services successfully restored full operational efficiency at Vedanta's Jharsuguda plant, reaching its full generation capacity of 600 megawatts. At Airseal Technology LLP, we don't just solve problems. We deliver sustainable solutions that drive efficiency and power the future of heavy industries.